My first 5K run after 10 years. Here is what I learned. Hello guys, good morning. I just finished my 5K fun run, my first run after 10 years. Grabe kayo, my whole body is aching. In the middle of the run, I really wanted to quit. Wala ko'y preparation, no training, just pure guts. I thought, kaya ra. Pero sa tinuod, sakit kayo. Pero niabot ang point na nakapangutana ko para unsa man ni. Then I remember the reward, the finisher medal. Pero labaw pa sa medal, I wanted to prove something to myself that sometimes pain is part of the process. That even if your body wants to stop, your mind and your heart must choose to go on. Dili lalim, but I kept telling myself, padayon lang, one step at a time. And when I crossed the finish line, worth it kayo. Not just for the medal, but for the lesson. Dili importante kung unsa kapaspas, ang importante na human nimo. So to anyone out there going through something, maybe dili fun run, maybe it's life itself. Just keep moving, walk if you must, crawl if you need to, basta ayaw lang yun ug undang. This is not just a run. This is a reminder that we are all stronger than we think. Daghang salamat sa pagmaminaw ug maayong adlaw sa tanan.